Hello, everybody. My name is Garrett Jacoby, and thanks for your time today. I wanted to introduce you to SVR tracking, the best possible solution for the buy here, pay here industry today. I want to introduce you to our company and let you know that our partners are pretty strong. They have some pretty long resumes. Mr. Mark Wells led the team that invented the digital phone for Nokia in 1990 in Finland. He's a Canadian boy outside of Vancouver. And also, he introduced the first digital GPS tracker in the industry some 13, 14 years ago. Mark Levy is all things back end, great with websites, merging all the technologies together so they work. Tim Peachy is Mr. Wireless. He was head of mechanical design at Nokia and other important positions throughout the wireless industry. And yours truly, Garrett Jacoby. We are part of a larger company called Positioning Universal, which has offices in 4 continents: Shanghai, China; Sydney, Australia; Vancouver, Canada; also in San Diego, California. We're cloud-based with servers on 3 continents. eSky Wireless is our manufacturing partner in China. We manufacture 11 different GPS tracking solutions, including a new to be released wristwatch designed for autistic children and elderly people with dementia or Alzheimer's. This is our main site that you would see with your vehicles. I'm going to go through this quickly because of time constraints, but the action buttons are right over here. And we're going to take a look at this vehicle here. It's down in the Orlando area and very easy to zoom in on it. And you can take the little man up here and bring him right down. And here's the street view. So maybe this person is getting some tires put on at Goodyear. What do you think? The second action button would be the top stops. I'm going to pick on Harold over here. He's out in Arizona. These are the 5 top stops in the last 30 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the Phoenix, Mesa, Apache Junction area. And also, we are the only provider in the industry that gives you a 4-hour heartbeat. Look at all this data. Everybody else gives you a 25-hour heartbeat, where the signal is sent out to make sure the unit's still working and give you a location. This is where Harold has been every 4 hours for the last 30 days. How about that? This is my favorite button, the recovery button. Once it comes time to recover a vehicle, repo a vehicle, there's nothing better than this button. I'm going to pick on this car right here. And this is everywhere this vehicle has been the last 3 days, every 2 minutes. How about that? This large green arrow over here is where the vehicle is right now. Of course, any of these balloons are where the vehicle stopped. 3.3 minutes, 3713 Ringgold Road. Alert history is also on the tabs to the left. Zone alerts. Start or interrupt, SID, very easy. Key or no key, very, very simple to engage the start or interrupt and then to allow the vehicle to be started again. Low battery alert, the car's been parked for a while, the battery's running down, system alerts you. Maintenance alerts, I really like this one here. A lot of your customers are not in the habit of changing their oil on a regular basis. You can arrange to have an email sent to them and to you notifying that 5,000 miles, for example, has elapsed. Recipients, the all-important Recipients tab. To add yourself as a recipient, simply type in your name and look at all these alerts that you can get. Low battery, when the unit is successfully installed. And by the way, our airtime doesn't start until the unit is installed. How about that? Impound lot notification. We have copyrighted and trademarked this feature. We actually have geofenced specifically with the boundaries on every licensed impound lot in the country and police yard. Maintenance alerts, geofences or zones, the recovery mode I showed you with the 2-minute tracking. If the vehicle leaves the country, goes to Canada or Mexico, or if you have a battery backup in your unit, you'll be notified if the power is disconnected. Pretty cool stuff here. You can have groups, so if you have a north lot, a south lot, or you want to denote those vehicles that are out for repossession users, you can add a repo guy, for example, and then you can go into user history and see what they've been doing. So users and user history. The most important button, I think, is the support button. Here you'll find a form to fill out if you're having a problem, but Bob Phelan is your guy locally there in the Virginia area, and our phone number in our office in San Diego, along with a description of all the features on the dashboard, as well as instructional videos covering everything we've talked about today, the device installation on a standard installation, and the device installation for a starter interrupt is also located here. Starter interrupt. Okay, back to the dashboard. I wanted to also tell you a couple things, and then we're all done. Our unit is certified by Verizon. That's very important. And also our exploded view, if you will. We have a precision, high-performance cellular antenna in the unit, a high-gain GPS antenna, programmable buzzer. How about that? If you want to use a buzzer, it's built into the unit. The starter interrupt device would be external, of course. This is the Verizon approved cellular modem. And how about this? We have an internal battery, a 450 milliamp internal battery. It's an option that you can have inside your unit, all in one unit. Pretty cool stuff. Also, I wanted to point out that we have the coolest cell phone app around. Bob will show that to you. And also we have available our fabulous skip program. It's an option you can have with every single GPS tracker. We'll find those cars if the customer rips the tracker out or the tracker doesn't work anymore, whatever the reason, we'll find those cars for you. We have a 99% success rate. We'll locate it within 90 days. Usually it's a couple of weeks, but sometimes it can take longer. That's about it, folks. I want to thank you for your time today. Talk to Bob Phelan after the meeting, and he'll show you what a unit looks like and take care of you from there. Appreciate it. Thank you.